Millions of traders around the world use icmarkets because it's widely considered one of the best Forex brokers available today. But here's the real question. Is icmarkets still worth choosing in 2026? Or has its reputation caused many traders to overlook some important weaknesses? Before you deposit your money or switch from your current broker, there are several things you absolutely need to know. In this review, we're not just going to look at spreads, trading fees, or execution speed. We'll analyze the factors that truly determine a trader's long-term success. You'll discover who icmarkets is best suited for, who should probably look elsewhere, the advantages that experienced traders value most, and the drawbacks that many online reviews rarely mention. The truth is, choosing a broker isn't simply about finding the one with the lowest spreads. Execution quality, total trading costs, platform stability, and the security of your funds are the factors that make the biggest difference over time. So let's take an objective look at icmarkets and find out whether it truly deserves a place in your trading journey in 2026. First, let's understand why icmarkets consistently ranks among the most talked about Forex brokers in the industry. Founded in 2007, icmarkets has grown into one of the world's largest Forex and CFD brokers, serving clients in more than 180 countries. Every day, the broker processes billions of dollars in trading volume. Unlike many brokers that primarily target beginners, icmarkets has built its reputation by focusing on active traders, scalpers, algorithmic traders, and professionals who demand ultra-fast execution and institutional-grade trading conditions. That's one reason experienced traders frequently mention icmarkets alongside other well-known brokers, such as Pepperstone, FP Markets, and XNES. However, popularity should never be the deciding factor when choosing a broker. The real question is whether its strengths align with your trading strategy, experience level, and risk management style. When researching a broker, the first thing most traders examine is trading costs. icmarkets is best known for its raw spread account, where spreads on major currency pairs can start from as low as 0.0 pips during periods of high market liquidity. That sounds impressive, but this is also where many beginners make their first mistake. They focus only on the advertised spread, while forgetting that raw spread accounts also charge commissions. In reality, your total trading cost includes the spread, commission, overnight swap fees when applicable, and several other factors. This is why professional traders almost never compare brokers based solely on spreads. Instead, they calculate what's known as the all-in trading cost. In many cases, a broker with slightly wider spreads but lower commissions can actually be just as inexpensive, or even cheaper, than a broker advertising near zero spreads. This is something many broker reviews fail to explain clearly. However, trading costs are only part of the picture. There's another factor that many traders overlook, yet it can have an even greater impact on your profitability: execution quality. Imagine you're trading during a major U.S. inflation report or the non-farm payroll release. Within seconds, the market can move dozens of pips. You click the buy button at one price, but your order gets filled several pips higher. That's called slippage. For long-term investors, a few pips may not seem significant, but for scalpers or active day traders placing dozens of trades every day, even small amounts of slippage can turn a profitable strategy into a losing one. This is one of icmarkets' strongest advantages. The broker connects to multiple institutional liquidity providers and has built its infrastructure to minimize execution delays. While no broker can completely eliminate slippage during highly volatile market conditions, maintaining consistently fast execution is one of the reasons icmarkets has earned such a strong reputation among professional traders. Another major advantage is the variety of trading platforms available. icmarkets supports MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader. If you're new to Forex, these platforms may appear quite similar, but they're designed for different types of traders. MetaTrader 4 remains the industry's most popular platform because of its simplicity, and the enormous ecosystem of indicators, expert advisors, and educational resources built around it over the years. MetaTrader 5 offers more advanced order types, supports additional asset classes, provides faster strategy testing, and delivers greater flexibility overall. Meanwhile, CTrader has become increasingly popular among experienced manual traders, thanks to its modern interface, advanced order management tools, and superior market depth features. However, don't assume that choosing the right platform alone will make you profitable. Trading platforms are simply tools. Your long-term success will always depend far more on your strategy, discipline, and risk management. This naturally leads to the next question. Who should actually choose IC markets? If you're a scalper, an active day trader, or someone who relies on expert advisors and automated trading systems, IC markets remains one of the strongest choices available today. Its competitive pricing, fast execution, and reliable infrastructure make it particularly attractive for high-frequency traders. On the other hand, if you're completely new to Forex, only place a few trades each month, or are still learning the fundamentals of risk management, you may not fully benefit from everything IC markets offers. In reality, many beginners spend far too much time searching for the perfect broker, while ignoring the much bigger challenge of developing a profitable trading system. Even the best broker in the world cannot save an account that's constantly over-leveraged or managed without proper risk control. Speaking of leverage, this is another area where many new traders have the wrong perspective. It's common to assume that the broker offering the highest leverage is automatically the best choice. That's only partially true. Higher leverage can certainly magnify profits, but it also magnifies losses at exactly the same rate. That's why professional traders rarely choose brokers based on maximum leverage alone. Instead, they prioritize execution quality, platform stability, competitive trading costs, reliable withdrawals, and overall transparency. These are the factors that truly influence trading performance over the long term. So, after considering everything we've discussed, is IC markets still worth using in 2026? The answer is yes, but not for everyone. If you're an active trader looking for competitive spreads, fast execution, excellent support for automated trading, and a broker with a long-standing reputation, IC markets continues to be one of the best options available. However, if you're just starting your trading journey, require extensive educational resources, or value promotions and bonuses, you may find that other brokers are better suited to your needs. The most important takeaway from this review is that no broker is perfect. A broker can provide better trading conditions, but your long-term success will always depend on your knowledge, discipline, trading psychology, and risk management. Don't choose a broker simply because it's popular, or because everyone else recommends it. Choose the one that genuinely matches your goals, experience, and trading style. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest broker reviews, Forex education, platform comparisons, and practical trading tips that can help you avoid the mistakes most beginners make. And now we'd like to hear from you. Have you ever traded with IC markets? What has been your biggest positive experience? Or your biggest disappointment? Share your thoughts in the comments below, because your experience could help another trader make a smarter decision.